The Umbrella Waterfall is one of the most beautiful waterfalls of Abbottabad in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. This waterfall is located near the Sajikot Waterfall nearby Poona Village. The beautiful Umbrella Waterfall is very much famous because of its unique and attractive natural architecture. Besides, crystal clear water is running through the big rocks. The water showers create an amazing view which is just heart-refreshing. Umbrella Waterfall became a tourist attraction when a Pakistani YouTuber posted a vlog of Umbrella Waterfalls as world's most beautiful waterfall, and it went viral on the internet.